Hello. So this is going on in my mind for like a lot of days. That is, if having a vision board is helpful or not. Is it useless? Especially if you're into, spiritual stuff, or if you're goal oriented. Okay, you are very ambitious. See, what vision board is, it's very difficult to tell. If you are someone who is into manifestation, their definition would be a little different than people who are very action focused. I'm not saying that people who believe in manifestation aren't action takers, or they don't do any action. They do, but mostly their belief is in the higher power, the universe. And people who take actions consistently, they believe that whatever they do whatever they do has consequences, so it is that they are responsible for whatever they are creating in their life. See, personally, I'm both. I believe in universe, that there is a higher power, taking control, not taking control, but leading you. Believe that there is a higher power that is leading you and aligning you with your higher self and goals. And also, I believe that you have to take actions. There, see, universe can only give you direction. You have to walk. For me, making a vision board is a bit different. I don't know what you know about vision board, but if I have to make a vision board, I will not put a Mercedes or a big house, or like, meeting a celebrity. That is not my goal. Maybe can be for some people. Maybe it is achievable for them in their mindset. Mindset is what works. If you believe you can or you can't, you are right in both. If you believe you can do that, you are right. If you believe you can't do that, you're also right. So see, for me, imagining myself rich with all the things I can't afford is a bit hard than imagining myself with the things I can take action for. I can disclaimer, this is just my opinion. Okay, I'm not targeting or trying to hurt anyone. It's just my opinion. So if you ask me how to make a vision board that can actually work, is take small goals. Okay, if you want to make a vision board for a year, and a lot of things can change in a year, but that doesn't mean you have to literally put everything, like everything in it, that traveling, okay, becoming a top influencer, getting famous, and becoming intelligent. Everything, not everything have to happen at once. Progress takes time. So add things that are achievable in, within some months. If you take action, consistency, if you put consistency in it, then you will get better results. For me, it was academic. Okay, you can add like your goals, that you want to achieve this much, and your career, that afterwards you will achieve that. Okay, very specific. You have to get very specific. You don't have to put aesthetic videos. No, we're not talking about videos. You don't have to put aesthetic photos that you find on Pinterest. You don't have to um, throw in everything that you find attractive, like, okay, I need that too, oh my god, I need. The most important thing is you have to connect with your vision board. If you throw random photos that you find attractive and you want that thing, materialistic or anything in your life, but you're not connected with it, I don't know if it's going to work for you. It's going to be hard even looking at it. You're just gonna feel very scattered in your mind, and you won't know what you actually want. So I prefer making a vision board like you're making a roadmap for your life. Okay, a roadmap is what is the best word I can use to describe it. It's not scattered images, random beautiful images. It's actually very aligned with who you want to become. Very aligned. Like, if you're thinking of becoming someone, just imagine you want to become an influencer. Okay, you can't put random photos of influencer. You can use your vision board as a roadmap, like how you start your channel, what you do, then what is your goal, stuff like that. Then you can put images like you got this much subscriber or followers, anything like that. And cameras, buying cameras, and small goals that will look achievable. If you see them, you will feel like, yeah, I'm very close to them, I'm getting closer day by day. If you work, you will feel closer to them. Vision board is not manifestation. Vision board is not something you will look at and say, yes, I believe universe is going to give me that. No, vision board should be something like, if you look at it, bitch, get off. Sorry, we were interrupted. I was in the flow state of explaining. Okay, so you should use vision board as a roadmap. It is not like, it is a manifestation tool. Okay, it is a great manifestation tool, but only when you are clear about what you want. You need to be clear that, okay, this is my goal, and I have put it in a visual board. And if I look at it all day, or like every day, if I look at it, then I will feel motivated, and motivated to take actions. if you want to become an influencer, don't put a lot of things. I recommend not putting a lot of things at once, because since we are starting, we should train our brain by small things. See, we humans train ourselves first by completing small steps, small levels. This is how we train ourselves. So I believe you should put small steps, small goals in your vision board first, and then as it starts manifesting itself into reality, you can put more new goals in it. That I forgot more things, but I'll be back with new knowledge.